What is it? What is it? He keeps coming. It's so funny. What is it, Bubs? Does he love bugs?
Yeah. Watch. I'm gonna grab him and I'll put it next to him and I'll freak out. Watch. Watch. Bubby, come here. Come here, Bubby.
What happened?
Don't scare him. You don't want to scare him.